Hi folks, I've just done this one for my patrons. Just a simple barn, red roof barns that gives contrast to the greens. Uh, Needless to say, I've been on a bike ride along the River Wandle this morning, so I'm very much influenced by that. But this little river, I've just got going around the corner here, put some distant trees in, just a few colours, five colours plus black. I like black. It's a very, very impressionist sort of picture. It only took about 32 minutes. 30, no, it didn't take a bit longer than that. 38 minutes. Right, well, I hope you enjoy looking at it. And I'll be doing some on YouTube very shortly. Bye bye.